Hi friends, welcome to easyway. In this video we make a video about how to replace engine oil and oil filter of a bike. For that purpose, easyway purchased a new engine oil and a new oil filter for this Suzuki Gixxer. Here we are going to replace engine oil and oil filter of this Suzuki Gixxer bike. Needed engine oil quantity is printed here, that is 850 ml, but easyway purchased 1 liter engine oil because this is the final one in that shop. If you go to purchase a new engine oil, you want to most conscious about its grade, viscosity, API like things. In your bike manual book you can know more about its details. For every motorbike have their own unique identity in its viscosity, API like things. Based on your living location, this may be change. That reason is climate change. Here we use technosynthesis engine oil. In our world, all engine oils are mainly classified into 3 types. One is mineral, next is semi-synthetic, and last one is fully synthetic. Technosynthesis engine oil is a subdivision of semi-synthetic engine oil. Here we can know Suzuki Gixxer engine oil status. For the purpose of engine oil replacement, the bike want to place in double stand. In Suzuki Gixxer, oil filter placed here. The engine oil exit portion is placed here. In the case of Suzuki Gixxer bike, now we are going to empty all existing engine oils from this bike. Keep that dry net in a safe and neat place. Now we are going to take out existing engine oil filter. Existing engine oil become more black compared to new one. At last we are going to take out this cap. Before going to refill the engine oil, first we want to tight in this area. After that, next we can set new oil filter. Now we successfully set new oil filter. At last we going to refill new engine oil in our bike. Please stop refill in 850 ml. This is the new engine oil color. One day this is the old engine oil color. Now the engine oil color is turned to black. If this video helpful for you, please press like button. After the correct engine oil refill, we going to close engine oil cap. If you are a new visitor for this YouTube channel, please press subscribe button. Thanks for your watching.